You're 30, you finally have a stable income, and somewhere in the back of your mind, a question keeps surfacing. It's time to invest. But in what? And am I already too late? The man who turned a few $1,000s into one of the largest fortunes in history would answer that question with one idea that will completely change how you think about investing. Buffett bought his first stock at age 11, but his real fortune wasn't built from starting early. It came from one principle he never abandoned for 70 years. Patience beats speed every time, while others chase quick wins. He was building a system designed to compound for decades. Most of Buffett's wealth was built after age 50, not because he suddenly got smarter, but because money invested early had decades to grow. The gap between starting at 25 and starting at 35 isn't just 10 years. By retirement, the gap can mean a fortune multiple times larger. If you're 30 and haven't started yet, today is the earliest day you have left. Don't wait for the perfect amount to begin. Buffett spent his whole career avoiding complex financial products. He couldn't explain in plain language. His rule is simple. If you can't explain how a business makes money to a 10-year-old, don't put your money in it. At 30, the temptation is real. Trendy assets, hyped up stories, tips from group chats, but simplicity and understanding are what protect your capital over the long run. Before you invest, ask yourself, can I explain how this company or asset actually makes money into sentences? If not, that's a sign to dig deeper, not to invest blindly. One of Buffett's most famous observations: markets move on crowd emotion, not logic. When everyone panics and sells, that's when the best opportunities appear. When everyone's euphoric, that's when caution matters most. At 30, it's easy to panic at your first real portfolio drop, but emotional discipline, not brilliant predictions, is what separates people who grow their wealth from people who lose it to panic. Before making an emotional buy or sell decision, wait at least 24 hours. Decisions made in panic or euphoria are rarely your best ones. Buffett lived modestly for years, reinvesting profits instead of spending them, not because he couldn't afford more, but because he understood that every dollar spent today is a dollar that stops working for you tomorrow. At 30, you don't need a large sum to start. What matters is consistency. Even a small amount, invested steadily every month, can grow into serious capital over 20 to 30 years. Buffett wouldn't care that you're 30 instead of 20. He'd tell you, it's not when you start that matters most. It's that you decided to start at all. The money you invest today keeps working for you for decades. The only question is whether you're willing to give it that time